Hello folks, Armando Barbosa here with Vision Mortgage Company, bringing you the Vision Mortgage Minute, information you should know about the mortgage industry in a few minutes or so. Today's topic is the bank statement for income cash out loan product. So the bank statement for income product has been the topic of our Vision Mortgage Minutes many times in the past. We've done this loan program for years and years, and you may recall that the bank statement product is for self-employed borrowers that have been self-employed for at least 2 years and can prove that. And they have 24 months of business bank statements that show cash flow to their business. And they can utilize that as the basis for income versus having to provide tax returns that show adequate income to qualify. Again, the bank statement for income product does not rely on tax returns. That's huge. So what I'm going to focus on today is that same loan product post-COVID and see what those implications have been. There's been a great deal of talk about the non-QM, that's the non-traditional type of qualifying mortgage post-COVID. Suffice to say that the non-traditional mortgage market has taken a great beating in the marketplace as we see it today. There have been some big players that have pressed pause and unfortunately some that have gone away. I have always said that in our marketplace, fear and greed are the driving forces. And when COVID hit, fear hit big time. There was a huge contraction, massive capital contraction in our marketplace. But as greed begins to step in and puts its toe in the water again, we're going to see some non-QM products change in our landscape. One of those areas is the cash out transaction guidelines. The latest Texas Cash Out transaction business bank statements parameters are such that we have a minimum FICO score of 700. Now, that used to be 660 pre-COVID rather. You're going to need 3 lines of credit reporting for a minimum of 12 months or 2 lines reporting for greater than 24 months with activity in the last 12. We'll take care of all that. Just give us a call. The minimum loan amount is $150,000 for this loan product. 24 months of bank statements are required, and we will impute an expense ratio that applies and is relative to the nature of your particular business. The maximum loan to value, this is big, is 75%. It was 80% pre-COVID. Prior bankruptcies are allowed as long as they're 48 months old or older rather. Housing events seasoning period is 48 months. That means a foreclosure or perhaps a short sale. But you know what else is included? Forbearance. So we've talked about forbearance in the past, and if your lender has reported that you are in a forbearance scenario, that's not going to allow you to get this type of financing unless 48 months has passed. Some lenders may have put that forbearance in play with just your phone call. So you may want to check your mortgage. Go to www.annualcreditreport.com to ensure that's not you. Finally, the only difference between full doc and the bank statements for income loan program is that the rate is about 0.5% less for a full income documentation program, and you can go to 80% loan to value. So we do have that loan product. We have it in both A and non-A programs, which are non-traditional QM programs. Folks, you wouldn't imagine how many people I have helped with this mortgage loan product. Many self-employed borrowers that have been told no by their bank or perhaps another mortgage company. We can find a solution for you. Give us a call, 210-348-0077. Find us on Facebook, YouTube, we're on Twitter. You can reach us by phone, in fact, at 210-348-0077. We're always available. As always, happy house hunting.